If you want to stay organized and plan your work effectively, managing the backlog in Jira is a crucial skill. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to manage backlog in Jira step by step, even if you have zero experience. The backlog is where all your tasks and ideas are stored before they are scheduled into sprints or worked on. To get started, log into your Jira account and open your Scrum project. Go to the Backlog section from the project menu. Here, you will see a list of all issues, including tasks, stories, and bugs that are yet to be completed. Next, start by adding new issues to your backlog. Click on Create and enter details such as title, description, and priority. This ensures all work items are captured in one place. After adding tasks, prioritize them. Drag and drop issues to reorder them based on importance. High priority tasks should be placed at the top so they can be picked up first during sprint planning. You can also break down large tasks into smaller subtasks or user stories. This makes them easier to manage and complete within a sprint. Use labels, components, or custom fields to categorize your backlog items. This helps you organize tasks and makes it easier to filter and search when needed. Regular backlog grooming is important. Review your backlog frequently to remove outdated tasks, update priorities, and refine details. This keeps your backlog clean and relevant. You can also estimate tasks using story points or time estimates. This helps in planning sprints and understanding workload capacity. When planning a sprint, simply drag tasks from the backlog into the sprint section. This ensures that only prioritized and ready tasks are selected for execution. In short, managing backlog in Jira involves adding tasks, prioritizing them, organizing with categories, refining regularly, and preparing items for sprints. Now that you understand the process, start managing your backlog effectively and keep your projects well organized. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.